Welcome to Branio Homeschooling. Are you ready to learn a new language together? Today, we are starting an exciting adventure together. We are going to learn Chinese, also called Mandarin Chinese. Let's begin. What is Chinese? Chinese is one of the most spoken languages in the world. Learning Chinese is fun because we can make new friends and learn about a new culture. Let's learn our first Chinese words. 1. Hello. In Chinese, hello is ni hao. Pronounce ni hao. Let's say it together. Ni hao. Again. Ni hao. One more time. Ni hao. Great job. 2. Goodbye. In Chinese, goodbye is zai jiàn. Let's say it together. Zai jiàn. Again. Zai jiàn. Excellent. One more time. 再见. 3. Thank you. In Chinese, thank you is 谢谢. Pronounced sheer. Sheer. Let's say it together. 谢谢. Again. 谢谢. One more time. 谢谢. Excellent. You're welcome. In Chinese, we say 不客气. Pronounced 不客气. Let's say it together. 不客气. Again. 不客气. One more time. 不客气. Great job. 5. Please. In Chinese, we say 请. Pronounced 请. Let's say it together. 请. Again. 请. One more time. 请. Excellent. 6. Sorry. In Chinese, we say 对不起. Pronounced 对不起. Let's repeat. 对不起. Again. 对不起. One more time. 对不起. Wonderful. 7. Excuse me. In Chinese, we say 请问. Let's say it together. 请问. Again. 请问. One more time. 请问. Great speaking. 8. Yes. In Chinese, we say sure. Let's say it. Sure. Again. Sure. One more time. She. 9. No. In Chinese, 不是. Pronounced 不是. Let's say it. 不是. Again. 不是. One more time. 不是. Excellent. Good morning. 早上好. Pronounced 早上好. Let's say it. 早上好. Again. 早上好. One more time. 早上好. Great job. Good night. In Chinese, we say 晚安. Pronounced one, an. Repeat after me. One, an. Again. One, an. One more time. One, an. How are you? In Chinese, 你好吗? Pronounced 你好吗? Let's say it. 你好吗? Again. 你好吗? One more time. 你好吗? I am fine. 我很好. Pronounced 我很好. Say it. 我很好. Again. 我很好. One more time. 我很好. Wow, fantastic job, everyone! Let's review all the greetings and polite words we have learned together. Repeat after me. Hello. 你好. 你好. Good morning. 早上好. 早上好. How are you? 你好吗? 你好吗? I am fine. 我很好. 我很好. Thank you. 谢谢. 谢谢. You're welcome. 不客气. 不客气. Please. 请. 请. Sorry. 对不起. 对不起. Excuse me. 请问. 请问. Yes. 是. 是. No. 不是. 不是. Good night. 晚安. 晚安. Goodbye. 再见. 再见. Keep practicing and subscribe for more exciting lessons.